Have you ever wondered what it was like to witness the birth of the world's first underground railway? Welcome to Pulse of History TV, where we breathe life into the past. Today, we're traveling back to 1863, to the smoky, steam-filled tunnels of London's Metropolitan Railway. Using AI, I've restored and animated these historic photos, adding color and motion to moments frozen in time. This isn't just a glimpse into the past, it's a revival. And I did it all myself right here on this channel. So, are you ready to step aboard? Months before the grand opening, engineers tested this experimental steam locomotive, a glimpse into the future of urban transport. These early machines were loud, smoky, and far from perfect, but they promised something revolutionary. Speed beneath the streets of London, the heart of the operation. Workers toiled day and night, digging trenches up to 10 meters deep. Cranes like this one lifted heavy stone arches into place, while the city above carried on, unaware of the underground revolution taking shape. Wooden scaffolds rose like skeletons along the route, temporary structures to support the weight of London's streets as the tunnels took form. Every beam was a step closer to defying the chaos above ground. A rare moment of rest. These men, laborers, masons, engineers, were the unsung heroes of the Metropolitan Railway. Behind them, the crane stands as a symbol of progress, lifting not just materials, but the very idea of modern transit. With the trench dug, the next challenge was sealing it. Brick by brick, workers built vaulted ceilings, transforming open pits into tunnels. Soon, these wooden supports would vanish beneath layers of stone and mortar. Bricks, thousands of them, were the backbone of the underground. Hauled by horse carts or hand-loaded onto rail wagons, they lined every tunnel and station, turning rough excavations into something enduring. Chaos and grit defined the construction. Horses hauled supplies through knee-deep mud, while timber frames held back the earth. This was no clean engineering feat. It was a battle against soil, water, and time. Every inch of progress came from sheer manpower. With shovels and buckets, crews cleared tons of rubble. Behind them, iron beams hint at the industrial scale of this project, one that would redefine cities forever. Supply chains of the 1860s. Horses brought materials to the edge of the trenches, where cranes lifted them into the depths. Each brick was a piece of the puzzle, one that had to fit perfectly. The vision takes shape. This station, still littered with tools, is almost ready. The arched roof and tunnel mouth hint at the elegance to come. A far cry from the smoky, cramped reality passengers would soon endure, a moment frozen in time. These men stand in the guts of the city, surrounded by wooden supports and taut ropes. Their work would soon vanish underground, hidden but vital. Smooth walls, level tracks, the final touches. Workers unload gravel to stabilize the railbed, ensuring trains could run smoothly through what was once just dirt and dreams. A tunnel stretching into darkness. This section, now cleared of construction carts, is nearly complete. Soon, steam locomotives would echo through these passageways, carrying thousands daily. Mysteries of engineering. These massive pipes may have been for drainage or ventilation, critical in tunnels filled with steam and coal smoke. Every detail had to combat the underground's greatest enemy, suffocation. History meets progress. As workers stack bricks, a statue, perhaps forgotten in the frenzy, watches over the site. Even as London reached for the future, its past was never far away. Another perspective on the grind. From this angle, the trench's depth is staggering. These men built not just a railway, but a blueprint for every subway system to follow. A bridge across time. On the left, the raw bones of Gloucester Road Station, wood, brick, and sweat. On the right, the same space today, polished, electric, alive. The underground evolved, but its soul remains here, in these foundations. And just like that, we've journeyed through the birth of the tube, a revolution beneath the streets. I hope seeing these moments in color and motion made history feel a little more real for you. If it did, let me know in the comments. What shocked you the most? The cramped, smoky carriages? The backbreaking labor of construction? or the fact that over 30,000 people braved this chaos on opening day. Videos like this take weeks to research, restore, and animate, but every like, subscribe, or comment fuels Pulse of History TV and keeps me digging deeper into the past. So if you enjoyed this time travel, hit like, it's free. Tell me what era or event I should revive next, and consider subscribing. Oh, and for more snippets of resurrected history, follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Pulse of History links below. Your support literally writes the next episode. Until then, keep history alive.